In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make money on TikTok, and there are basically three main ways that you could do it, and the third way is the most beginner friendly. So let's get right into it. So here are the three ways that you could make money on TikTok, three main ways. The first way is through the Creativity Program Beta. This is where you can basically get paid based on views on your TikTok videos. There are some requirements that you have to meet in order to qualify for the program. First, you need to have at least 10,000 followers in your account, and then you need to have at least 100,000 monthly views actually in the past 30 days in order for you to get qualified. And how you get paid is that each of your videos needs to be at least a minute long in order for that video to be qualified to be monetized. And then you will simply get paid based on each qualified views, based on the CPM. And CPM is just the amount that you get paid per 1,000 views. The second way to make money on TikTok is through selling on TikTok Shop. So this is basically e-commerce on TikTok. You're basically selling products on the platform. So you'll be responsible for coming up with that product and be responsible for fulfilling the order when the order comes in, and also be responsible for providing the customer service to the customer. And then the third way to make money on TikTok is to become a TikTok Shop affiliate. So for this method, you don't need to create the product or provide any customer service because you're simply becoming an affiliate for the TikTok Shop. So whatever products that's being sold on the TikTok Shop, you can become just an affiliate and help promote that product. So your main job is to create content or create the video to show off the products. And then if people decide to buy through your video, then you make a cut of the commission. So this method is more beginner friendly because you don't have much overhead, and also your investment and your risk is pretty minimal. You could also have ways to get free items or samples from suppliers or sellers. So that way you don't even need to make a financial investment. But even if you end up purchasing the products so that you can make content on them, the investment is quite low. So your risk with this method is quite low as well. So if you want to learn about this method, I actually have created a step-by-step complete tutorial on how to do it. I'll show you A to Z, everything that you need to know. I'll link that video down below. So check it out if you want to. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.